Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to cancel a scheduled left ride. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the Lyft app on my phone and this is how it will look like once you open the app. So right here in the bottom we have two sections. We have rides and also trips. So if you go right here to trips, you're gonna find plan ahead, stress less, choose a date and time, lock in a price, get the priority matching. So this option is for scheduling a ride, and under it you can also connect your Google Calendar if you want to add your calendar from Google. So we're gonna click on schedule a ride if you want to schedule a ride, and from here you can choose the dates. For example, I'm gonna select tomorrow, state, and then from here you can select the hour and then click on next. Once you click on next, you should choose your source location and also your destination. So for example, I'm gonna choose randomly, I'm gonna type Los Angeles and then choose from the list of results. For example, I'm gonna select airport, and from here you should select which vehicle you want. There is a Lyft, Lyft XL, Extra Comfort, Lux Black, and Lux Black XL for some more luxurious options. Once you do that, click on Select Lyft, and all you need to do, guys, is pay your ride. So basically, guys, if you want to cancel a scheduled Lyft ride, go right here to the top right, and then click on the ride history. And from here, you're gonna find all of your Lyft rides, and you can cancel your scheduled Lyft ride. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.